Hello my people, na Abuja TokTok be this with your favorite girl Adabike, and you know today they do am for here. Now I dey bring una better gist on top entertainment, sports and national story where they happen for inside Abuja and across the world. And you know today they do am for here. Now grab your seat, make we enter this story proper. And the first story we're going to look into today now, our Nollywood actress Annie Idibia and her legendary musician husband Two-Face Idibia. Where we say Two-Face now, he don't go announce in separation and in divorce between him and his wife. And fans don't react, and so gbasgbos now they happen for social media. Some they express how they feel, and some they wish them good luck on the new path where they don't decide to take. Anyways, as the matter they go, I got to unfold how it take they happen. And the second story we're going to look into now, Mercy Chinwo wey be say don't carry her former manager Mr. Easy T go court. Mercy they claim say the 2019 contract where she signed say na fraud because they allegedly changed the whole matter without her consent. Consent deny her access to the documents for 2022. Easy T they talk say they don't already pay her over $625,000 and she still no fulfill the agreement for her third album. Anyways, the matter they court with the way to see wetin go happen next. For the political story, PDP don't enter serious gbasgbos during their board of trust meeting. Wetin happen be say that meeting supposed bring peace, but yet it can't turn to heated arguments and disagreements between the party leaders. Anyways, the board chairman don't talk say they go resolve this matter, but now Nigerians they wonder whether this their matter so go they resolve before the next election. We dey follow up for wetin go come next. And the next story be say Nigerian government don ready to receive over 3,690 citizens where they don't deport from the United States. Preparation don they go on ground as they won't receive the returnees reintegrated and make them for settle back at home. Anyways, this development now don't raise questions on how this deportation take happen and wetin the government won't do to help them. Now the matter will look into like this. So my people, now here I go put full stop for today story, and until the next time we will go see again, make una dey safe, una stay informed, and remember say better days go soon come. I remain your girl Adabike, and I dey sign out. I go see you una next time. Una bye bye.
Vibes and Cruise.